Introduce you guys of like NavMesh link, and I'll explain what walkable, not walkable, and jump actually means. Like, because there is one student just asked me about jump during the class, and I was a little bit confused too. So I digged into it, and I just realized it can be very, very confusing. So as you can see here, I set this to walkable. But if I set it to jump, let's see what happens. Our character will still walk on it. And what it means is actually jump and walkable. They're pretty much the same thing. And the only difference here is this number. And what this number means, it's cost. And what cost means is basically like if you have stamina and if you walk through an area, it's gonna take you 1 stamina. And if you roll through the area, it's gonna take you like 4 stamina. I'm not sure if that's clear, but let's make, instead of jump, let's make a new area. Let's call it rolling. And let's change the cost to 4. And what I'm gonna do here, I'll go click on this cube. I just made 2 cube, and I'll change their area to 1 to rolling, and this one is still walkable. And I'm gonna bake. Okay, I just fixed the issue. It was because it was too narrow. It wasn't enough for the agent to pass. And yeah, and as you can see after the bake, the rolling area is set to purple. It's because the color is purple. And what I'm gonna do now is put this in the middle. And right now, if I want the player to go here, clearly here is the closer way, but the character is actually going through this way. It's because going through this way, its unit cost is 4, but this one is only 1. That's why the player chose this area instead of this area. So that's the difference between walkable, jump, and rolling, which is I made. But if I set jump to 0.5, it's actually gonna go to the jump way instead. But okay, I'll just set it back to 2. And now let's go back and actually do the NavMesh link. And in add component, let's give this anything can take this component, even an empty game object. Actually, I'll just make an empty game object. So far away. Okay. And I'm gonna give it a NavMesh link. As you can see, it's like a bridge. And now I'm gonna connect this to plane together using this. Oh, what did I do? Sorry. So now these 2 plane are connected. And as you can see, the cost modifier, don't worry about area type in this part, because it's for something else. For the cost modifier, it's the one part that you actually added the cost for this area. So I'm gonna change it to 100 for this one. Doesn't matter for now. And let's see if it works. I'm not sure if it's connected properly. Yep, now you can see it's jumping. But if I make another one, but instead I want to change this to 0. If I want to make our character go here clearly, this is the closer way, but it's gonna choose this path. It's because its cost is smaller. So I think this part can be very useful when you design a game for AI to determine which path is more efficient. And I'll just instead I'll just show you guys how to make it jump from here to here to here. What do you want to do is actually very simple. Just move it. Oh, sorry. So if you want to make something like this, just click here. And it's gonna automatically go that way and find the link, jump through, and it's there. So that's how you use the mesh link. And if you don't see this, try another version of Unity. What I'm using right now is 2020.3.11 F1. This is what I recommended. And thank you guys for watching.